Okay, so this is Hannah's first bow ever, and I matched it up to her, and it is perfect for her size. Ooh. And then check this out. This is called an arrow rest. Okay, check this out. See that? When you shoot, it falls down. Yeah, and watch the arrow rest. See that? When you shoot, it falls down. See, you know what's good about it? I'll show you. So what's good about it is that you knock an arrow like that, and then see that?
Cool.
Isn't it? Don't let go, okay? Don't shoot it. And then see that? So now.
And then when it shoots, it goes down.
But then, and if you don't shoot, watch. Unclip it. Okay, go like that. The bow. Go like turn it upside down. Turn the bow upside down. Turn the bow upside down.
Huh?
Turn your bow upside down. See that? It doesn't fall out. See that?
Oh, that's cool because since no one's Jonas, they always fall down.
So to take that out, like that. And then if you don't want it to get out, and before you shoot, you don't want it to fall out. Just go like this. Oh. Okay, hold that. If you don't want it to fall down, look at that. It's locked. See that? You like it?
Yeah.
All right. So today is September the 22nd. Today's the first time that Hannah shoots her bow. It is a 29-pound bow. She's doing pretty well. We're shooting at 10 yards. Good job! Alright. Oh, this is Hannah's arrow. Okay, remember Hannah's arrows are the ones with the metal tip, metal butt. Go, Hannah. Why don't you do this? Why don't you do this? Okay, put it on. Like that. Okay. Okay. This finger always behind the trigger. Okay, there you go. Good job. All right, Lane, it's cold.
It's okay.
Let's try it. In a bit. So the kiddos are doing a lot better today. So Hannah is shooting mommy's arrows, which is coming very well. Okay, Lane, it's hot, guys. Okay, that's cool. The kids are shooting a lot better. Good job. Did you hit yourself? Oh, that's pretty accurate, Hannah. Why don't you guys learn your bow? Noah's shooting too. Noah forgot his bow, so he's shooting Jonah's bow. Good job.
When you turn, look,
Uh-huh.
when you do it straight, it just
It's all right.
it's off. So you have to do like, you have to do
Mhm.
like this.
Good job. Yay, Hannah is doing very, very well today.
What? Why does it keep doing that?
Good job.
Why do I keep doing that?
Like what?
I feel on the red and it's still going way high.
Okay. Well, don't yank on it. Just let it slowly go. Mm-hmm. Just relax. Center that bubble, and just shoot. Let it go slowly.
Ay! Ow! Ready? Ready?
Hmm. Good job. Okay. Today we are shooting 20 yards. Everybody is improving very, very well. Tuesday. Come on. Good job, Hannah. You're hitting the bullseye. You want to shoot Hannah's bow? You want to try? I think Hannah's bow is too long for you. This is why I say bows are very personal. Good job. No, it's the red one. It's the second pin. What? Well, take it off.